reading English words and sentences. Okay, dito na tayo sa may sentences. Go. The hen. The hen. Set. Bakit set?
Set.
Again. Sat. Again. The hen. Sat. Red. Pen. Okay, again. The hen sat on the red pen. Pen. Okay. The. Okay. Next, number two. Bakit ka?
Hen.
Then. Okay, next. Number three.
The net.
Yan. Can. Get. The
hat.
Opo, the lahat. Maraming the. Again. Yes. The net. Can. Get.
The wet.
Jet. Okay, next, number four. G. Okay. Jen. Let. Again. Basahin mo ng ayos. Jen. Let.
The. Dalawa pa yan to.
Okay. Then, para maganda.
Men. Set.
Tent. Next, number five.
The
vet. Fed. Ayan.
Fed. The pet.
Pet. Okay, next, number six.
The bed. Is wala ganto.
Meron. Ulitin mo yung number 6. Ulitin mo nga. Tuloy-tuloy.
The Ba, be,
D.
d,
Again. Da.
da, be,
Then.
d, bed.
The bed.
The bed is wet.
Again.
The wet,
Ah.
oh, the bed is wet.
Okay. Next, number 7.
The leg
Again. Ulitin mo. Pag nabasa mo na, ulitin mo ha. The leg of...
of
Ano nga ulit yan?
on
Anong on? The leg.
Leg.
The
the
leg
leg
of...
the he hen now is yeah the
Red.
red
Again. The leg
leg
of
of
the hen
hen
is red.
red.
Again, ikaw.
the
The leg of
of the
the
hen
ano yun?
hen
Hen.
hen is red
Red.
red
Next, number 8.
the
The
man
the man
beg
beg
for
for ano yan?
for the
Ne.
net number 9
Okay, number 9.
the
No. Again.
pet
Again, simula sa una. The pet.
hat
No.
and
Hen.
hen is in
Okay.
the
Ano yan?
pen
Pen. Okay, next, number 10. Ano yan? Saan ka? Okay. Again. Number 10. Red.
red
The red.
bed
E.
is bag
Big.
big
Okay, very good.
next
Okay, next. Malapit na. Pwede na mag-cellphone. Are you excited? Na mag-cellphone na naman. Okay, next na. Okay, number 1.
ben han when
No.
mali wet leg
Again. Ben had
has
a wet
wet
leg.
leg.
The Ben had
has
a wet
leg
Okay. Next, number 2.
the
Okay.
It.
Okay.
The hen
The hen
is in the
pen. Again. The
The
hen is
sit
in
in the bed.
pen.
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 Next, number 3.
The
The
men set
set
the net.
net. The men set the net. Again.
The man sat on the mat.
Net. Okay, next. Jen.
Jen. Ano oras na?
Malapit na. Malapit na tayo matatapos na.
Ano oras na?
6.
6 na.
Opo. Next, number 4. Jen met a pet cat.
Cat.
Okay, next, number 5. The
The
vet. Ano yan?
Cat
Can fix
the pet.
Okay, next, number 6.
The
Jet
cat is out
no oh on the ano yan? Wet no net. Next, number 7.
The pen is
By
the bed.
okay.
Dito
Ay,
na.
malapit na talaga siya. Okay, next. Number
The pet hen no kun
can
can
peck.
peck.
Okay, next, number 9. Malapit ka na.
Alis man ako school.
Opo. Bukas mag-school ka na, ha?
Yay.
Kasi 2 na absent mo eh. Sayang yun. Sabihin mo kay teacher, ha? Teacher, sorry.
May nagbigay sa Valentine's Day kay teacher.
Valentine's? Bakit Valentine's?
Kay teacher big.
Teacher's Day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bigay ko
Ano
kay
ibibigay mo kay teacher?
Yung cup link mini. Wait, I need a papel. Oh, I have a papel. Wait now. This one is
Okay, see?
right here, a heart.
Heart?
And this is the thingy. Okay. May butas dito.
Drawing mo yun?
Hindi.
Parang notebook.
Oo.
Notebook kagaya nito.
Oo.
Bibigyan mo kay teacher.
Yeah.
Ano sasabihin mo kay teacher? Happy
Valentine's
Teacher's
Day.
Day po, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day po, ma'am. Okay, next. Last 2. The
away naman si Papa siya kasi Mama. Away naman sila.
Huwag muna. Basahin mo muna yan. Tapusin mo lang basa bago ka mag-chismis sa akin, ha? Chismosa ka din, ano? Again. Sa number 9.
The men beg
for
red pen.
Okay. Last one.
The
leg of
the
ayun.
Bed is bent.
Pwede ka na mag-chismis sa akin. Okay, say goodbye na. Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, guys.
See you
to the next video.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.